Hi, welcome to our video presentation about our game, Twisted Dice Rolling Simulator game. I'm Nathalee Suñiga and let's start. So when we open the game, you can see a small greeting welcoming you to our game. Here you can see the title art, the main menu, which is the single player, multiplayer, about, leaderboard and exit. As you can see, there's an assigned numbers. You need to press the number key to select your option. For example, in single player, so I'm pressing 1, then enter your name, enter, and enter your initial balance, only 1 to 1,000. So I'm inputting 1,000. Here, you can see the game. And now we can see the game. Here, the banker is asking how many dice roll you want. You can only input between 1 to 10. So I'm inputting 2, then enter, and he is asking how much is your bet. So it's up to you how much you bet. For me, it's 100. Then enter. Here, you need to guess what total number will show. As you can see, the game gave you a hint. So you need to guess between 2 and 12. So I guess it's 6, so I'll type 6. And then you will wait what number will show. As you can see here, the roll 1 is 2 and the roll 2 is 4. And the total number is 6. If you were asking why the total number is 6, because the roll 1, which is 2, is added in roll 2, which is 4. That's why we get the total number of 6 as the answer. Down here, you can see how much you lose or you win. My guess is right. That's why my 100 got double. There's a question asking if you want to roll again. You can press Y if you want to continue the game, and press N if you want to go back in main menu. And I'll press N.
So let's proceed to the multiplayer. I am Kenneth Ace Tolentino, and to enter the multiplayer, press 2. After that, you will see the prompt to enter your name. So you need to enter your real name, because if you put blank space and numbers, invalid input will pop up. So for example, after that, you will see the initial balance where you can set it up to 1,000. So you will see that the same process I just did, but it is for player 2. So you will see after that you will see the dice design, the player's turn, the current balance, and the dice to roll. You will see the bet, and you will see the guessing or guess the total. So after the rolling of dice, if you win, you will get times 2 of your bet, and if you lose, your bet will go to player 2. And it's the same process for player 2 too. If either player's balance is less than 0 or equal, the game will be over. If it's not, then it will just continue to take its turns as long as they have balance. That's it for the multiplayer. Also, let's talk about the difference between single player and multiplayer. In single player, there is only one player needed, but in multiplayer, you need 2 players. And the mechanics of the multiplayer is kinda different than the single player.
As you can see, this is the gameplay of multiplayer. If Ken loses, his bet will go to the other player, and it will just go on and on. You can see here that Lon's balance became 750 because Ken loses. Remember that Ken bet 250 and 500 plus 250 is 750. You can see here that Ken won 200. Times 2 of 200 is 400, and previously you saw the other player lose 350 and his current balance became 400. Because Ken won, the other player's balance, which is 400, will go to Ken. and the game will be over because the other player doesn't have any balance left to bet.
So let's proceed to the next, which is about. This is where you can see the description or information about the game, how it works, and the explanation. You can also see the game logo or the title. So press 3 to enter the about. As you can see, you will see the game logo or the title and the welcome message, and you will see the information and description about our game. That is it about the about.
Hello, I'm Justin Rain Bundalian. Let's proceed to the leaderboard. So about the leaderboard, we need to press 4 to enter the leaderboard. After entering, you'll see the leaderboard where entries are displayed in order based on the player's balance. From highest to lowest, all the names you see are the players' best records. As you can see, Ken got 300, so he's the highest in the leaderboard. And Lo got the lowest record, which is 100. You can also see a command to the view bar chart. All you need to do is press enter. On page 2, the bar chart page can be viewed. It visually represents bars, which could be long or short based on each player's balance. The length of the bars correlates with the player's balance, providing a quick comparison between players. As you can see, the names are familiar because it's the name players in the leaderboard, but here can you see the bar chart along with the records. After displaying the bar chart for each player, the user is prompted again to press M to return to the main menu, or L to the view leaderboard or first page again. As you can see, if I press L, return to the leaderboard. And then, if I press M, it returns to the main menu. And last is the exit. If you want to exit the game or the main menu, just press 5 to exit.